has asked the Supreme Court to review that decision to see if it was correct, and we call that discretionary review. And of course, the word discretionary means that we don't have to grant that. In fact, we have approximately 500 to 600 motions for discretionary review every year, and we grant approximately 15 to 20%. We choose the ones to grant based on an examination of the case to see if it presents a new or unusual situation under the law, or whether we believe that the Court of Appeals opinion might be in error, or whether we think that it's an issue that we've already decided but perhaps we should review again because the passage of time may have changed the thinking. But there are a lot of reasons, but a lot of our cases we don't have any choice. We are required to review those by the Constitution, and it's only approximately 20 to 25% that we have a choice on whether to grant review.
I might add that we don't have oral arguments in all of our cases, just a select few. I know that there are some people who think that when they see these proceedings that we do this for every case we decide, and it's only a few each month that get this particular treatment.
Have any of you ever made a decision that was legally correct but differed from your moral opinion?
Different from who?
Different from your moral opinion.
Yeah, well, you know, we're sworn when we take our oath of office to uphold the Constitution and the laws of this state. Mm-hmm. And I don't think any of us would have our personal views on anything that would override the law. If so, then we would be violating our constitutional oath.
That's one of the toughest decisions that I personally make when an issue comes before me to vote on, and as you can see, I'm just one of 7. I don't have 2 votes or anything like that. The issue, my life's experience, my family background, my religious background, my education, my experience as a person, tells me one thing, but the law tells me some other. And in those cases, I have to, under my oath, as Justice Cooper said, I have to go with what the Constitution and the law says. It's not always very easy.
It depends on some degree on your philosophy of the law. If you believe that the civil law is founded on the natural law, which itself is supported by the moral law, you will have no difficulty in reaching an appropriate decision that is consistent with your oath of office and your what might be considered your specific moral beliefs. I do not believe there is necessarily an inconsistency there, and that it can be easily recognized because the civil authority is based on the moral authority.
Next question. Any more questions? Okay, well, we want to thank Western Kentucky University. We want to thank the citizens of Bowling Green and South Central Kentucky for their hospitality and inviting our court to come here in this wonderful facility and to provide all of the facilities that they have provided for us so that we could bring our court to the people to show you how the court works and to show you that we are people and not just 7 computers back here in the back room making decisions. If there are no further questions, thank you very much, Mr. Chief Justice.
Court is adjourned.